What's up, TRT community? Hey, guess what? Last week, on Wednesday, at 1:17 p.m., I hit 5,000 subscribers. I know because I was watching. So I want to thank you guys very much for subscribing and supporting the channel through your comments and likes and all that. I want to celebrate by re-releasing this video that I made a little bit better. You'll enjoy it. I know all of you haven't seen it yet. It's funny. Start your week off right with it. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Hey babe, I'm gonna go do my injection and then I'll start the coffee, okay? Okay. Ok, mi amor, ¿qué quieres con...? ¿Por qué hablo español? Porque no puedo hablar inglés. Ay. Ok. Hecho en México, no manches. La testosterona está de México y por eso solo puedo hablar español, no puedo hablar inglés. Y mi doctor, él me dijo que dura por una semana. ¿Qué voy a vivir normalmente? Niños, ¿quién quiere huevos rancheros? ¿Nadie? ¿No? Huele rico. ¿Y qué trabajaré? Buenos días, señor. ¿Cómo está? Okay. I'm looking for some oil for my motorcycle. Con gusto. Bueno, este tipo de aceite está muy bueno para tu motocicleta y también no cuesta mucho. I don't understand anything you're saying. Yo sé. Ay, qué día horrible. La policía. No manches.
Do you know why I pulled you over?
No.
You know how fast you were going?
No.
Do you speak English?
Yes. Hola, familia. Aquí estoy.
We still don't understand you, Daddy.
Yo sé. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. Well, all right, Sugar Plum. What you want for What in tarnation? Why am I holding straw? What happened to my sleeves? And am I missing a tooth? Why am I talking like this? Made in the USA. South Alabama, get out of town. Well, honey, you know what? It ain't nothing little NASCAR and sweet tea won't fix. Get her done.
Rona está de México y por eso solo